So here is the Yezi 9300 118 scale, ready to run, 4-wheel drive. Let's just do a quick unboxing and see what we get inside. So let's start off with the user manual. User manual is actually really nice. And then you get a full parts list right here, and then a full diagram as well. In this pack, which has quite a few things in, body clips, extra screws, you get a cross wrench, a screwdriver, 3 AA batteries for the controller. So it is a true ready to run RC. You get everything you need to get going. And then you get a USB charger to charge the 7.4 volt, 850 milliamp hour 2-cell LiPo. It looks like it comes with a mini Tamiya plug. And then here is the controller. There's where the 3 AA's go. Foam padded wheel, steering trim, throttle trim, steering rate. You can reverse the throttle and reverse the steering. Power button there. Nice little controller. So let's talk about the truck now. Oh, we get 2 batteries. There's the second one. So with the body off, now we can see that brushed 380 motor with a heatsink. We have a 25 amp ESC receiver with a 5-wire 9G steering servo. And most everything on here is plastic, but we do get some metal parts here. As you can see right in there, we have metal dog bones. We also have the metal cups right there. And then we also get a metal center drive shaft. And if you look close enough right there, we have metal bearings. Shocks are just friction shocks. Little bouncy. There's no claims on the box or in the instruction manual, but they claim on the Amazon ad, they claim that this can get 40 plus kilometers per hour, which is just about 25 miles per hour. So you know we're gonna test that out. These RC companies, especially the budget ones, they always claim a higher speed than what they actually do. So we're gonna see just how close they are to that advertised speed. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a speed run with this because I wanna do it on a fresh battery, but it does have proportional steering, as you can see. And then 4-wheel drive with proportional throttle. I think one of the first upgrades that should be done with this is suspension. So let's go into track. We're gonna hit start, and steering trim's off a little bit. Uh-oh, I lost signal. That's not good because that's not that far. That's not a good start. There we go. Let's see what it has. That's flat out. That is not 25 miles an hour. Not even close to 40 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna go on a guess here. I'm gonna say maybe 15, 16 miles per hour. That's just a straight guess, judging by the speed. Let's see what we have here. Now my guess is like 15, 16 miles per hour. What do we have? Oh, that's 21 kilometers per hour. So that's nowhere near the 40 plus, because they said plus. That's nowhere near the 40 plus. So let's change this to miles per hour. We'll start it over. Let's see what we got here. I was saying 15, 16 miles per hour. I don't even think it's that high now, seeing that it was only 21 kilometers per hour. It's 13 miles per hour. As usual, falsely advertised speed. Another claim that they advertise on the box and in the ad is you get a 20-minute run time with this battery. So let's test that out. This really isn't a good size to run off-road. I'd probably stick to the pavements. So you get into the grass here, it's just not strong enough and isn't big enough to get through the grass. Oh, over the rock. Yeah, that suspension is pretty bouncy.
Doesn't do too bad though in the dirt. Some sticks, they get hung up in the wheels. But I wanted to run it on the pavement and in the rough so you and I could get an idea of how it performs. See what I mean? Like, sticks and stuff, they get hung up pretty easily because it's so low to the ground. All right, let's take this out to the pavement where this thing shines a little brighter. Still going pretty strong. I know I have more than 10 minutes run time on this already. So I'm just gonna run this around till we hit the LVC or the low voltage cutoff. We have to soon be at LVC because there is no more throttle punch. That's all the throttle punch we have, and you saw earlier how much it had with a full battery. We gotta be getting close. It's definitely slowing down. Okay, I'm starting to think that they definitely weren't misleading on their runtime. I definitely can't complain about the battery time. Oh, there it is. Well, perfect timing. That is it. That's LVC, low voltage cutoff, and that is the full battery. So I'll put the whole entire time that I was running to make this video, because this video was made all on one battery. I'll put that on the screen right now. So my likes and dislikes, well, we'll start with the dislikes. Maybe it does kind of have a range issue. The suspension's horrible, and the trim, whenever you try and trim it, you can't get it to go perfectly straight. It'll always go to one side or the other. Finally, the false speed claims. Nowhere near the 40 kilometers per hour. But some things I do like about it, well, one, I do like the looks of it. I love that color blue. Nice design on it. The few metal parts that you get with it. Definitely the runtime on the battery. And that 380 motor does provide quite a bit of punch, quite a bit of throttle punch right away. But again, it doesn't reach the speeds that they claim. And then finally, the price. The price wasn't too bad. But that'll do it for this video. Thanks for checking it out. Click that subscribe button if you didn't already, so that way you can join me when I check out the next Ready to Run RC.